Hello, sir. Um, Hello, friends. I'm Alemge Nadine, studying at ICT University Mesasi, majoring in ICT first year. So I want to show you people some practical skills on Word. As you can see, it's already displayed on my home screen. But for those who don't have it, they can click their Windows button, click their search icon, type Word, and it comes up. I'm going to double click on it, wait for it to open. And as you can see, there are different, it shows you the different things that you can work on. But for what I want to do, I'm going to work on a document that has recently been saved to this laptop. So I'll double click on it, it opens. I can show you how to, I want to show you how to change your font size and the size of your characters. But first I'm going to highlight the whole document. So I'm going to click on the left part of my mouse, select the characters, pull to the very end, then I let go. We come here, this is where we change the font. As you see, as we go down, it changes continuously. So I'm going to settle for band script semi bold. Then yeah, I can change the size of my character. So you see 20, you can take it right up to 72, but it just makes your work look very big for nothing. So I'll settle for 20 because it's legible. As you can see, the whole text is still highlighted. So when you click out, everything goes back to normal. As you can see on the bottom part of my screen, there's this X here that says proofing errors. So this is where you can change all the grammatical errors in your document. So I'm going to click here, and at the right hand of my screen, it starts to go back to all the errors I've made. So for those you want to change, you can click here. This is the change icon, depending on whichever word you want to change it to. But I'm just going to ignore all. And then it shows spelling and grammar check complete. You're good to go. So you can click here. Okay. Another way I could have reviewed this document is to come here to the review icon, click there. There you can do your spelling and grammar check. You can also do the word counts, because majority of the times we get assignments that say do this in 2,500 words, 2,600 words. So this helps you to know whether or not you have surpassed your word limit. It gives you the amount of pages, the words used, characters with or without spaces. You can also choose the language that you want your document to be corrected in by clicking there. Now, as you can see, my settings are such that my document is corrected to United Kingdom standards, English in the United Kingdom standards. I could change it to Afrikaans, Albanian, whichever language you want it to be. You set it to that, and you click on your set as default. But I don't want to change mine, so I'm going to leave it that way and close. If I wanted to be able to just read this document without having to deal with any of these other icons at the top part of my screen, I'll take it to the read mode. That's the first option at the bottom right of your screen. So I click here, and my document comes up like a slideshow. Here I'm just reading the documents. Can't make much corrections or additions to them. I'll just be reading the document. But to be able to make any corrections, you take it back to the print layout. That's where you can make all the corrections that you need to make in your document. And the last thing I wanted to show was mailings as well, because if you wanted to print this and then also be able to send it, mail it using an envelope, the formal or traditional way, because not many people do post that much anymore. So I can write my delivery address here, say for instance PO Box 56, Mesasi, Cameroon. And for those of us who still send mails, we know there's a delivery and a return address. Should in case your delivery address could not be traced properly, there should be a return address for the people to be able to return it. So I could do this and then put a blank envelope in my printer, and this is going to be printed on the envelope. So those are all the basic skills I wanted to show. And then here is where I can save my document. Click on the save icon. Thank you very much for your time. So I'm going to close now. Also, one last thing, please. You can zoom in and zoom out of your page, should in case you want to be able to read more. So yeah, I've reduced the size, and here I can increase it back. Thank you very much.